Hello, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. For those of you who do not know me, this is Dr. Nandi. I have uploaded lots of math videos. I have also uploaded many short travel videos all around the world. You can take a look at those. I hope you will enjoy those. Why do I solve math problems? It's just to help people who want to know steps to solve a particular problem. People complain to me, maths is difficult. Yes, I agree with you, maths is difficult, but if you know the steps, it's not that bad, as I will show to you today. So, I have only one request to make. Please do not quit halfway through. Please stick around till the end of the video. I'll give you some important hint or tip at the end of this program. So, please stick around and please do not quit halfway through. Okay. Says the population grows continuously at a rate of 1.85%. How long will it take for the population to double? So, first thing you want to solve is you want to solve for the time, and you know the growth rate, and it's continuously growing. So, we need to know the equation for continuous great growth, okay, of a population, and for continuous growth. Value of population at any one time is C times E is an actual number, and it is multiplied by the growth rate times T, where P is the population at time T, and that is in years. C is the initial population at T equal to 0, and K is the growth rate. K is the population growth rate, and it is expressed in decimal. So 1.85% equal to 1.85 divided by 100 in decimal is not 1000, sorry, 100 just. So it is 100. So you get rid of this two zeros, there is only one zero. And that is equal to point 0 point, let me erase this. So it's point 0.185. So we know the final population will be twice the initial population. So given to us, if I write, no, not worry, given P, the final population is twice the initial, is double, is twice the initial population, the initial population. So that will be equal to, that means P is equal to, in this case, P, here, P is equal to 2 times initial population is C. So we can write P is equal to, this is the original equation, e to the power of kt, or 2C is equal to C. E again is a natural number, K is given as 0.0185 and multiplied by T. Now the C on both sides will divide by C on both sides. So let me raise this a little bit. So I'm going to divide by C on both sides. So 2 is equal to this C and this C cancel, this C and this C cancels. 2 is equal to E to the power of 0.0185 times t. Now take natural logarithm on both sides. Logarithm on both sides. Natural logarithm is logarithm to the on both sides. Natural logarithm is logarithm to the base e is logarithm to the base e. Logarithm to the base is e, where e is the natural number and e is a natural number. So when we do that, we get ln 2 is equal to, now ln, as I said, is base e, ln e to the base e, and 0. 0.0185 t. Now, as you know, one of the properties of logarithm, the exponent becomes a product on the right. So the exponent 0.0185 t will be multiplied by in the front. So ln of 2, that means ln of 2 is equal to 0.0185 t times ln e to the power of logarithm of e to the base e. Now, another property of logarithm is when you have the same base, like logarithm of e, which is the natural number, to the same base e, that is equal to 1. So, further simplification leads to, we'll create some space, is ln of 2, sorry, ln of 2 is equal to 0.0185 times t, because this one is equal to 1. Logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. Okay, so therefore to get t, we will divide by 0.0185 on both sides. Hence t is equal to natural logarithm of 2 divided by 0.0185, and that will work out to, if I use my calculator, as 37.5 years. That's your final answer. Let me walk you through the steps I took. Okay, so first, we have to know the continuous growth equation, which is population at any time t is equal to c, which is the initial population, multiplied by e, which is the natural number, raised to the power of kt. What is k? K is the growth rate. T is the time in which the population will go to the size p. Okay. K is given to us. It's growing at the rate of 0.0185 per year. So it is K is 0.0185. 1.85% is 1.85 divided by 100. So now it becomes, we want to double the population, initial population. That means finally P, the population at time t, will become 2 times C. 2 times C is equal to C multiplied by E raised to the power of 0.0185 multiplied by T. Now, cancel C on both sides. So 2 is equal to 0.0185 T. Okay, now we will take the natural logarithm on both sides. Natural logarithm means logarithm to the base e. So that becomes ln 2 equal to ln e to the power of 0.0185 t. Remember, ln is nothing but logarithm to the base e. So we use another property of a logarithm where an exponent becomes multiplied by that exponent in the front. So it becomes ln 2 is equal to 0.0185 t times ln of e. Now, as I explained to you, ln of e is a natural logarithm of e, which is the natural number, to the base e, same number. So property of logarithm, when you have a logarithm of a number to the same base, it is 1. So I cancel that ln e to the base e is 1. So what am I left with now? ln 2 divided by 0.0185 is 0.0185 times t. Now I will divide by 0.0185 on both sides because my goal is to solve for time it takes to double the population. Hence it will be ln of 2 divided by 0.0185. At this point we have to use the calculator to find the value of natural logarithm. Ln of 2 divided by 0.0185 works out to 37.5 years. So these are the steps we have to take. We have to know the equation for the continuous growth. We have to know certain properties of logarithm. For example, an exponent is nothing by multiplied by the exponent in the front in logarithm. So exponent of a number which is in logarithm form, that exponent will become a multiple or a factor in the front of the logarithm. Okay, and logarithm of a number to the same base is equal to 1. These are the things you need to know. Hey, you may have questions, but feel free to ask me any question in the comments area. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, and if you like my video, please give me thumbs up. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. And at the same time, please click on the bell button. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, I'll stop here today. Again, please check me out tomorrow too. Thanks. Take care. Have a nice day.